Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. In today's video, I am going to show you my gallery or passageway makeover, and this is also the part 1 of video series in which I am going to tell you about all the tricks related to a perfect gallery wall. So this is part 1 of that video, and I will try to cover all the tips related to the gallery wall in 2-3 videos, and I am giving all the links of all the products in the description box below. So without a further ado, let's start the video.
So this is the gallery. It's a very small area where 2 doors are opening of the bedrooms, and also kitchen's opening is also here. It's a very small area and I am going to give a makeover to this area. So I wanted to change the color of this area. So we have selected the mustard color, which I have earlier also shown in the living room makeover. Wake Up Sid wall theme. So the same color we used in this area also. That is mustard 7901 of Asian Paints. And you can paint yourself also by the help of roller. So we have not painted our gates. We kept them white only. I chose mustard color because I wanted this area to be very bright and lively. Then in this gallery we already have a socket where we can hang a bulb or a light. So I chose a very smart white colored hanging lamp. I got it from Amazon. As we don't have the false ceiling, so I never lose an opportunity of such areas where I can hang, nice lights. Then on both the sides of one door, I want to hang my planters. For that, he is drilling this area. Then he inserted the plastic dowel, and inside it he inserted the nail. On that he fitted this metal black bracket where we can hang our planters. So on both the sides he did the same thing. For another wall I got these 6 frames. These are of 8x10 size with photograph size of 6x8. They have a black thing for hanging and you can change its position also. So I decided to hang 3 frames vertical and 3 frames horizontally. So whenever you decide to make a gallery wall, always put the frames on the floor and try to position all the frames according to the way you want to hang them, so that you get an idea, are they looking good or not. Another thing is the gap between the frames. So the ideal distance is between 2 to 6 inches, and it also depends on the size of the frames. Too much space between the frames breaks the relationship within the frames, so they should look like they belong together, and together they are making a gallery wall. Symmetry is also very important. The gap between the frames on both the sides of the middle frames should be equidistant. And very less space between the frames make the gallery wall very crowded. That also won't look very good. So the space should be ideal. Then I got the printout of our photos on a photographic paper from a studio. Never get printouts from a photo state shop because there the quality of the prints are not that good. So we chose photos from our travel and they all are in the same color theme, mainly in the bluish color with some scenic beauty. Always try to choose photos in the same color theme if you want to make a themed gallery wall. Many people go for black and white photographs in the frames. They also look very, very stylish. And always try to place your photographs in various positions so that you can get all the possibilities. and you can get the idea where the photos look best. And there should be symmetry in that also, like we have photographs. In the vertical photographs we have 3 photographs, and in 2 photographs we both are there, and in 1 photograph only my husband is there. So ideally the 2 couple photographs should come on the same level. That would make more sense. Then I used knife of the nail cutter to open the frames. And here there is a transparent sheet, so I removed the covering of the sheets there. And in these frames there is a white inbuilt framing also. It's just a cardboard cutting. So if you have a normal frame and you want such kind of space between the frames and the photo, you can cut from the white chart paper also. Then I again placed the frames with the photos according to the positions we decided earlier. And I think they are looking perfect. Then with the help of inchi tape, I marked the points where I wanted my frames, and then we got nails inserted on those points to hang our frames. I would rather suggest you to go with these command strips. They come specifically for the frames and according to the weight of the frames, and they come in the pair, so you can select according to the number of your frames, and they don't leave any marks also when you remove the frames. They are very easy to use. So instead of nails, I would suggest you to go with these strips. And then I just hang my frames on the nails. You need to take care of the height of the gallery wall as well. The center of the gallery wall should be roughly at the eye level of a 6 feet person. Then I took these macrame hangings. They are for the planters. I got these from Amazon, and I took an artificial plant because there is not enough sunlight in the gallery area. And I got these white pots from the Banjara market, and instead of sand I am using newspapers here because my plant is artificial, and if I will use sand the planter will be very heavier, so I am using the newspapers and it won't be visible from outside. So then after putting the plant inside the pot, I just put it inside the macrame. And then hang these planters on the brackets on both sides of the door. Then I took a pair of artificial creeper leaves and then I just joined them by the help of a wire. Then I hanged it above the gate by the use of those brackets on which I have hanged my planters also. But from the middle it was coming down. To secure it in its position, we decided to insert some nails. So we took these small nails and just above the gate we inserted 2 nails. and secured our creeper with the help of those nails in its position.
So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to cover the remaining things about the gallery wall in my coming videos. So stay tuned for that also. And if you like this video, then please like, share and comment in the comment section below. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I keep uploading videos related to home decor, fashion, lifestyle, health, fitness and DIYs. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye.